Okay, good morning, guys, and welcome to another episode of 130 Technicals. As you all know, this is basically a market outlook session. You get to see what opportunities you can grab from the market, and you guys get to see more of my strategy. I know, yeah? So, before we get started, for those that are watching this video on YouTube, please For those that are watching this video on YouTube, please like and subscribe to the page, and then you can always drop comments on what you want to be seeing from 134X more. Yeah. So, guys, let's proceed. Fundamentals today. I think we have a news on GBP right now. I think GBP is just pushing up right now, and then we have news on USD later. High impact news on USD later. So I think that it's going to be a calm day. Yeah, it's going to be a calm day, but then with some moves here and there. So let's jump on our charts and see what we can grab. So let's start with AED USD. Nah, that takes fine. Okay, so I think this was the analysis we had on Friday. Yeah, we had that whole break of structure. Come, let me delete all this. We had the break of structure here. Price pushed to the upside, and then we're expecting a retracement to the downside. Yeah, we're expecting a retracement to these levels, but then we did not have that retracement. Price just consolidated for a while. Yeah, this was market open yesterday, consolidated for a while. We created a high here. Basically, we had this low, a higher high, and then now we have a higher low, and then price is creating a higher high right here. So if we have this break of structure here, sec. If I have this break of structure here, what we can basically look at first of all is what a retest of this area. Then maybe we can take it to the upside. But then I'm feeling like these buys are already starting to exhaust. But at the same time, let's just follow structure on there until it takes us out. Yeah. So let's wait for price to break. The candlestick has not closed. So there's still that potential to have a bearish candle from this candlestick. So let's wait for the candlestick to close. Then we can wait for price to continue pushing a bit, and then wait for a retracement, basically. So that's the outlook. That's basically what I'm looking at for an AED-USD. I think NZD-USD should be the same. Yeah. So what we have currently is a creation of a low and then a high, because we've actually broken structure to the upside. Well, I didn't actually pay attention to this. This would have been like a very nice entry for us. Yeah. We had the break of structure with this candlestick closed above, and then the rest is history. Let's see. If I actually got this entry using short retracement strategy, we would have actually hit TP by now. I didn't actually pay attention. I think this is like the first time I'm opening my charts this morning. There was no lights here, so I had to wait for the generator. But all the same, we can wait for that proper retest. We can wait for price to basically push up and then retest these levels for us to take those buys to the upside. So that's what we're looking at from NZD USD. Then Euro USD. Euro USD, Euro USD. Euro USD is the same thing. We have that higher low here. Price has broken to the upside. It has not broken properly yet. The candlestick has not closed. So let's wait for that proper break of structure. Then we'll look for the retest. So we have that break. What we can look for is the retest. So let's wait for the candlestick to close first. GBP USD. GBP USD. Honestly, I don't like this pair. This pair is can be very shitty some days. Anytime it wants to be mean, it can be like very, very mean. So we had that break of structure. This one here. We had it. Oh, this is interesting. So price basically came down, we tested it, and then now we're pushing up. So since this is actually reacting from this big range, what I'll be looking out for is the break of these highs instead. Yeah, because you can just have price come here, then we test these levels and then just come down massively. So what I'll wait for basically is the break of this level up here instead of this one here that price is already trying to break. So I'll wait for this major break instead. That's what I'll look out for in GBP. Then what's the other one? GBP JPY. So we've made GBP now. GBP JPY is crazy today. I think that downtrend kind of ended, but then I think we're coming back into it right now. So Price came back to retest this area yesterday, this structure that was broken, and then it's pushed back up in like a high, and then it came back sort of a retest. Yeah, that was basically a higher low, and then we pushed up, and then we failed to counter high, and then price falling right now. Like it's this bearish candle is just coming down strongly right now. So let's wait and see if we're going to have a break of structure around this level here. Yeah. If we get a break of structure around this level, then we started shifting bearish, then we can actually look for it. So that's what I'm looking at from GBP. This pair that I have a very good relationship. So gold did what I think was the GBP USD did. So we had a break of structure here last week, and then we had a retest of it. This was when this was yesterday. We tested it, and then we actually bought the upside. And then when price tapped them, yeah, someone is in this. So when price actually hits here, yeah, I think the price break, no. Then we had some sort of like a small retracement, then we pushed up, pulled back, and then now we're actually pushing up. So now let's see if price will actually break here properly and then go to the upside. So guys, yeah, let's continue. So we have a break of structure now, and then price is basically coming back to retest. I said price is basically coming back. Okay, let's wait and see if price will come back to retest it, basically. Yeah, so we have a break of structure. Price has not closed yet. Let's wait and see. If we have that closed, then we look for a retest and then a continuation, basically. So that's what we're looking at for gold. At the same time, let's pay attention to this low down here. On how price doesn't break above properly, and then we don't get that retest, this is the level we'll be looking at to see a break of structure from before we shift our bias to the bearish market. So that's what I'm going to be looking at from gold. Yeah, I think that's all the pairs I have on my watch list. What other pair do you guys want us to take a look at before we go? Is there any other pair you guys want us to take a look at? And then is there any question? Like, do you guys have any question? What questions do you have for me before we go? Okay, guys. Okay, I think someone dropped something in the comments there. AUD USD. We looked at AUD USD already. Let's go back. So as I was saying, yeah, AUD USD basically consolidated here for a while, and then now we've not broken because this candlestick has not closed yet. So if I have that break of structure, I mean, if this candlestick closes above, then we've confirmed the break of structure. Then we can basically look out for a retest of this area here, that has not been broken yet, but might be broken if this candlestick closes above. Look for a retest there, and then basically we take buys from there to the upside. That's what we have on AUD USD. Any other question? Okay, guys. In the absence of any question or any other pair to look at, someone dropped something. Okay, yeah. In the absence of any pair or any question, we'd like to call it a session. Yeah. Thank you all for attending. And wait, I'm coming. Let me see. Okay. Yeah. Thank you all for attending. It's always nice having you guys around. Yeah. Please, like I always say, keep an open mind to the markets. Yeah. The only thing that is sure is that anything can happen. And I always tell you guys, it's not just bad things, good things also. If you see your setup, take it without thinking twice. Do you understand? So, catch you guys same time tomorrow and have a very beautiful trading day. Later, guys.